Namaste. Namaste and a very, very warm welcome to our Women of Wonder Coffee Table Special Edition. And today I'm very excited to specially welcome our latest guest on the show. Now, Women of Wonder podcasts are our initiative to bring to you stories of inspiring and ambitious women so that we can all take inspiration from them. My guest today actually started in the world of finance. And through her beautiful journey, she landed in the world of travel. And today, not only today, she travels herself, she actually takes the whole world on a world tour. So, welcome to the show, Sarika. It's lovely to have you here join us today.
Thank you, Rima. Thank you for the wonderful introduction. And I'm very, very happy to be the part of this coffee table book along with
Yes,
my other friends.
it's so exciting to see you there. So, Sarika, tell me something from the world of finance to the world of travel. How, when did you realize that you have got to move away from spreadsheets to actually traveling in souks?
So the first thing that came to my mind is freedom.
Okay.
Yeah, when I was an employee working in the company, we don't have freedom.
Mm.
You have to
Yeah,
stick to the timing, continuously be in the reports. And my main passion was to travel around, make
right.
new friends, meet people, and I love driving. So I thought now it's a time to come out from the reporting part and start driving and follow my passion. So that is a time when I thought that let me start my own business. And the main what you say, my aim is not the spreadsheet but the travel, the roads.
Exactly, traveling and seeing the Dubai skylines, right? That,
Yes.
but there must have been a leap of faith, right? Entrepreneurship is not secure like a job. जॉब में हर महीने सैलरी आती है एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप में आपको पता नहीं है कि आपका नेक्स्ट बिजनेस नेक्स्ट मंथ कितना बड़ा आएगा you know विल इट बी अ बिग मंथ और विल it be a small month. Did you ever feel terrified? Did you ever feel scared, or what gave you the courage to take that leap of faith?
Yeah, I agree. Entrepreneurship is not an easy thing. It's a scary road, I can say, which I took because
Mm.
I was having a stable job, secure job. I was leading a senior role, and also I had a big team which I was handling. My salary also was fixed. I was enjoying. I was comfortable with it. But वो होता है ना कभी अंदर का कीड़ा जहाँ कुटता है. I
Yeah.
did the same thing. I wanted to be my own boss. Then I decided कि नहीं, ये रूम से निकल के कुछ बाहर और करना है. And then I started my this travel company. And another thing what gave me courage is my husband. He always had a confidence in me that you will do something. And his confidence made my confidence strong, and I had the courage कि अभी मैं अपना कुछ start कर सकती हूँ.
Absolutely. It's the men in our life who are actually the pillars when, strong women like you walk out of the home and are actually, doing big achievements like you do, right? But
Yes.
Tarika, you're very different from a lot of other travel agents I know because you actually give a very personal touch to all your clients. A lot of the time you are behind the wheel, you are beyond the rule of just, booking tourist attractions for them. I know personally, I've heard stories. When the tourists come to town, you drive them around and you are taking them around in town, right? What
Yes.
happens in those car conversations? Tell me, what do you enjoy about it? Because I know it gets very hectic, right? आपका बड़ा group आया है in town and you're taking them around. What happens?
Yes. So main thing first, what I believe is entrepreneurship is not just sitting in the office and just doing itineraries and doing the logistics thing. It's better you be outside. And
Hmm.
when I go with my guests, it is that point where you are very much close to them. You
Hmm.
interact them one to one. And
Hmm.
that is how I have made connections. My guests have become just like my family members. And when I drive myself, you can say my car is like a magic thing.
Yes.
Whatever you name it, you will have in the car. Tissue, water bottles, sometimes chairs, mats, tents. So
सब
everything is
निकलता है उस कार से.
there.
आई नो दैट, आई हैव सीन इट. जो चाहिए उस गाड़ी के अंदर से कहीं से तो सब निकल जाएगा. आपको कैंपिंग करनी है तो कैंपिंग का सामान, घूमना है तो घूमने का सामान, सब निकलेगा. But
और
that's
कभी
really
मुझे खुद ऐसे लगता है कि इफ आई गो इन द डेजर्ट हियर आई कैन स्टे 1 वीक विथ माय कार देयर. आई डोंट नीड एनीथिंग एल्स. सब कुछ है गाड़ी में.
चलती फिरती पूरी दुकान है. दिस इज अमेजिंग she is. I've seen that. So Ka, you've credited family support, and you just mentioned your husband as being your biggest support for running this business. Now there are a lot of women who struggle with this, who do not have family as a safety net as we do, or who dream bigger but are not able to step outside the house. What would you tell them if they feel that they don't have a safety net?
Oh, the biggest example is our IWD. Just joined IWD, our Indian woman in Dubai. More than 72,000 members hai, and where women support women. So udhar aayenge, I think they'll be the most safest thing. But yes, what I like to tell them ki you follow your passion, determination. जो आपने decide किया, just follow that, follow your dreams, and be surrounded by positive people, and just follow your dreams. That is my thing. That is my advice. What I would like to give all the women. Just follow your dream and be determined to what you are doing it, and be surrounded by positive people. You start with small things in life. You start with small things and be with positive people. That is what I experience.
So what is your advice to people, to women who do not have a safety net?
Yeah. So first advice is that join IWD, Indian Women in Dubai, where you will feel the most safest community here. And वहाँ पे आप interact करते हो, you will find other women entrepreneurs over there. And रीमा महाजन तो है ही सबको motivate करने के लिए. We have more than 70,000 members here. So that is my first advice I can give everyone. And secondly, follow your passion. You start with small, dream big. और जो भी करते हैं, be determined to that, follow your passion, and be surrounded by positive people. So that is how you will be achieving your dream, slow and steady.
Wonderful. And I can see you've achieved your dream slow and steady, right? You won a number of awards over the year. I'm a testament to your journey, from IWD awards to, Wonder Mom Award to She Awards. बहुत सारे awards आए हैं आपकी journey में, right? But what is that moment that a traveler has, what is that moment which is the most rewarding for you in your achievement, so many achievements so far?
Yeah, awards तो है ही, like award is what you feel कि आपने जो hard work किया है, so that is what you are getting in return. And बहुत पहले मैं वो film fare awards देखती थी, तो I was always dreaming कि एक दिन मैं भी stage पे जाऊंगी and I will be taking the award. The first award what I got, the IWD award, बहुत कुछ confidence मिल गया. So that is there. But again, every day when you are in the business, when you are going with your guests, what award you feel at the end of the day, जब trip पूरी हो जाती, the smile, what you see on your guest's face, that is what you feel, that is the biggest achievement for that day.
Yes.
So added to this awards. So that is
a very satisfied customer, a smiling traveler.
Smile on their face. Feel कि अपनी पूरे दिन की मेहनत, whatever, like, because the guests come here for Dubai, they may be for 4 to 5 days. Yes. But what we work, it is like maybe for a month, 2 months before we start working that. But that 5 days are very crucial. So one smile on their face, satisfaction, that is the biggest award.
So when you're spending these 4-5 days, right, they must be very intense, right? Because subah se sham tak guest ka kuch itinerary hai, you're managing all of that. How do you handle the pressure between, managing, you are a homemaker, you have a family to attend to, and you manage the pressures between the family and the business?
Yeah, that is a tough time. But again, family support to hai hi.
ऐसे husband नहीं बोलते घर नहीं आई, बहुत late हो गया आज?
नहीं, that is उनका support बहुत है. And even my daddy is there. Daddy का भी, he was in the same thing. Travel पे थे, and he took the early retirement. So मुझे भी उनके through I got inspiration, and I'm in this field. So whenever I'm out, he takes care of the house. He likes cooking, so he takes care of everything. But when I'm outside, I try to manage it. Like health भी देखना है, continuous. कभी भी तो ऐसे होता है, like 2 days back to back tours रहते हैं. I come home at night and early morning I have to go. तो मैं family को देखती, वो सोते रहते हैं. I see them, but they don't see me. Yes.
So coming late in the night, you're leaving early morning to pick the next tour in and all of that, right?
And even if I'm not driving, there are big tours. But at least one day I make a point, I be with them. So it becomes tiring, but very ek अच्छी quality है that I can take a power nap for 10 minutes and I become fresh.
Really? You can drive on less sleep, because I know you drive so much also.
Yes. So हो जाता है. And then when I get the next tour, I keep a gap.
Achha.
So I take 1 day break. So okay, you will freshen up and then start the next tour.
At least I never thought you take any gaps. I think ये चलती रहती है गाड़ी.
चलती तो रहती है, but at a point, because if you drive, you have to be careful, right?
Yes.
it's a third party है, guests are there, so you have to be careful that you have to be fresh, नींद पूरी होनी चाहिए,
I
so
agree.
that power nap भी होती है, and I do take a break, 1 day break तो होता ही है.
Very good. And Sarika, you meet so many people through your travels, right? Like when people are traveling to Dubai and they're meeting you. Has there ever been a transformation story, journey, or a story or anything कि आप किसी tourist को दुबई घुमा रहे हो and you're showing them the new Dubai, but you're actually changing their life and their perspective towards life or their reactions? कभी ऐसा हुआ है कि tourist का आपको लगे कि the job feels very fulfilling क्योंकि आप किसी को एक experience करवा रहे हो. Dubai in itself is an experience जब बाहर से कोई आता है, right? We live in Dubai, so we don't realize it that much. But I know that a person who steps out of their home, comfort home first time and comes to a city like Dubai, which is so fast moving and so wonderful in all the things. कभी ऐसे हुआ है कि कुछ expression आपको लगा है कि oh my god, I'm changing a life?
Changing the life, इससे नहीं, but yeah, I had one group of girls, solo travels. So when they were discussing, there was first international trip, like there were 20 to 20 girls, or maximum of girls in the first international trip, and they were like, we don't know how it will be, they were worried. So once they came here, I tried to see, like when we were in the bus, games rakhe hue the, so they interact with each other. And 5 days they were sharing the rooms, but all the 5 days I tried to change the room partners. So
Oh, very interesting.
for them he change karna hai, but I said yeah, otherwise the 5 दिन they will be with the same partner.
हाँ.
But 5 days they were with different girls and they were happy. So वो इतना hesitate कर रहे थे कि कैसे होगा क्या है, but when the end of the tour, they were so happy that all of them become a family, including me, and they were so happy कि हाँ, पहले उनका mind ऐसे था, now they are free and they made new friends. So
very good idea. Actually, I never thought about it. But yeah, very nice. And actually, उनका भी bonding increase हो जाता है, right? That's why everybody encourages trips to be taken with friends because the depth of the friendship and the relationship improves a lot, right? Once you've traveled together. Very interesting. अच्छा तो ये बताओ सारिका, now you are established. Okay, initial grinding years में तो hard work होता ही है, but now I know you are very established travelpreneur, so to say. Do you ever? But you're still very hands-on. I know you have a team in the background helping you. So do you ever feel like that lonely CEO? And do you ever feel like अच्छा अब तो मेरे से manage हो गया, मेरा business भी set हो गया है, more or less, right? You have an inflow of clients. Let the team run the process. Why are you still on the road every day?
Yes, though the team is there. एक तो है कि जो पहले मेरे साथ घूमे हुए हैं and their families or their friends or relatives coming from India, they said, no, you only have to drive. I still try to convince them.
Exactly, yes.
Yeah, I try to convince them that मेरी team is well trained, they are trained by me. No, but you have to be there. So मुझे भी ऐसे लगता है, I still have to be there. I don't want to sit in the office. That is the reason why Niharika Tours was formed. मैंने जॉब छोड़ के ये किया. So I like to be on the road and उनके साथ रहो. And again the same thing, when I see that they are satisfied, वो smiling face देख के I feel so happy. And sometimes when you are with the guest, वो कुछ open करते हैं कि ऐसे कुछ hidden place है or hidden spot they want to visit. So what I do, I'll just keep in mind and then next day I try to include that in the itinerary. They are not aware of it. वो surprise element उनको हो जाता है. And I'm so happy कि ये surprise मिल गया कि they were just wishing it. मैंने पकड़ लिया उनका point and I included in the next day. So,
very nice. Yeah, that's the personal touch you add, right? Okay, yeah. Beyond the business, Sarika, now we've spoken so much about your travel business, beyond the business, beyond the CEO title, beyond the awards we spoke about, who is Sarika? What is the core of Sarika?
A passionate traveler. You can say driving मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है. I like to roam around. So अगर CEO छोड़ के देखेंगे तो I gel well with all the people. I like to make new friends. तो वही है सारिका. Like ये travel आने के पहले भी मेरा यही था, गाड़ी लेके बस घूमने जाओ फ्रेंड्स के साथ, लेट नाइट ट्रिप करो, चाय पियो.
Yeah, I know your chai parties. Yes.
लेट नाइट कभी भी फ्रेंड्स चलो.
Exactly.
क्या है, so that is what. So sometimes you can say कि उनके फ्रेंड्स से ज्यादा फैमिली मेंबर ही बन जाती हूँ कि कभी भी कुछ है, कुछ अपनी दुख भरी कहानी सुनानी है और just they want to vent out. सारिका को फोन करो and then we are
yes,
out.
I know there's so many women who call you, right? अभी मेरे को कुछ लाइफ में टेंशन हो रहा है या sometimes just venting out ही चाहिए होता है. And I know they call first people they call.
Yeah, even I feel good going out क्योंकि मैं भी थकान रहती है इतने दिन की, so when I go out with my friends I feel yeah.
I know you have a lot of patience for all of that, for sure. Beyond your, let's talk about your Dubai journey. Beyond the risk, the roads, the rewards that you have got in Dubai, how would you describe Dubai in a few words?
So Dubai is the main hub for tourism.
Hmm.
I just say anybody, yalla, come to Dubai, घूमो फिरो, ऐश
Some
करो.
people come to Dubai like that song. Yes.
And if you just want to spend luxury करना है, Dubai has that option.
Hmm.
You have that much money, budget में करना है, so Dubai has even that options कि हाँ, there are so many museums and the places very freely you can go and visit those places. So that is what Dubai is, a luxury, as well as even common man can come and visit it.
To Dubai, Habibi, come to Dubai. It doesn't matter, whether you are a common man or a luxury destination. Oh, okay. This is one question which we are asking everyone, Sarika. If you had a billboard, Sheikh Zayed pe aap sabse bada billboard le lo, aapko jo chahiye.
Oh.
And you had to give a message on that billboard for every woman who's dreaming, who's daydreaming, who's sitting at that desk, who doesn't know how to follow her passion. What are you going to tell her? What is the message you would give to every woman sitting there?
Question.
निहारिका टूर्स, हम उसको उस पे मैनिफेस्टेशन बोलते हैं, तो करेंगे, एक दिन होगा हमारा भी बिलबोर्ड, राइट?
करेंगे
निहारिका टूर्स का एक बहुत बड़ा वो बन रहा है. What is the message that you would like to give everybody watching the billboard?
Yeah, I'll just say, follow your passion, drive on the Sheikh Zayed Road, is the fastest road, drive in that speed, and one day you'll be on the top of the Burj Khalifa and see yourself there. So bas follow your dreams.
कितनी खुशी से हमने सारे travel destinations जोड़ दिए हैं उसके अंदर. That is so beautiful. What a beautiful message by our woman of wonder, Sarika, from Niharika Tours, that make Sheikh Zayed your home for fast driving, as well as one day you're going to be on the top of Burj Khalifa. But passion is what takes you there. So follow your passion and stay true to it, and success will come eventually. That's the message from our Women of Wonder. If this episode has inspired you, if it made you smile, please like and subscribe and share this one with more women. I mean, between Sarika and me, even if one woman smiles watching this episode and gets inspired to start her journey like Sarika did, and she left back her corporate career, her finance background, to running a successful travel company like she is today, even you can do that. You just need to take that first step. And with that, we say a big thank you to Sarika. Thank you so much for joining us today. And we'll be back with another Woman of Wonder very, very soon.
Namaste. Thank you.